Came here
Yeah,
seven times now.
Acha, 7 times now you are here, ne?
Each month
Okay,
I think.
okay. And okay, first you came. In which time you came here?
I came here 3 days ago.
Acha,
This is first visit.
Acha, first visit. And you come already come.
Many
okay,
times.
okay, many times. Yeah. So please, sir, your name. Acha. Thank you, sir. And you came here first time many times here.
Yes.
Okay.
Seventh.
Seventh times
Yeah,
you
yeah.
came here. Okay. And after you are going to Badrinath or another village,
No, it's
another place. Up to Rudra. Acha, sir.
We are here to just see how the road are being constructed.
Okay, sir.
Just to see what is the similarity between our country and
Yeah.
the Japanese standard.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So that if some solution we can provide to them
Okay.
in this development.
Good. Thank you.
Our company
Yes.
we want to work with Indian consultant.
Acha, yes.
So we come here to this time
Ji, sir.
to find what we can do.
Okay. And this is a very dangerous zone.
Yes.
Yeah, always this light come down always. Especially in winter time, summer time, and rainy season time.
In
Every
this
time it is very
our
dangerous.
geologist
Yeah.
join
Acha.
Mr. Nirasawa.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, please your name, sir.
My name is Tatsuo Nirasawa.
Okay, sir.
Oh,
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And you came first time here or before you came here?
yeah, in first time.
First time you came. Only sir, director sir came.
He's our boss.
Yeah. Thank you very much. And
चलो हम लोग.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Well, very nice to meet you. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.